In this session, I am going to explain binomial coefficient using recursive method. What is binomial coefficient? It is nothing but binomial coefficient is n of k is the order of choosing k result from the given n possibilities. Here I am explaining. The value of binomial coefficient for positive n and k is given by coefficient equals to n naught equals to n minus k factorial divided by n factorial into n minus 1 k factorial whole divided by k factorial, where n is greater than or equal to k. Here you can see the algorithm value of n and k. The output computed for binomial coefficient is n of k. Here I am taking the loop, that means from 0 to n I am doing file each rows at a time, compute only the values that will be used for. I am initializing j equals to 0 to minimum I of k. Do if j equals to 0, then j equals to n, then c of ij equals to or raised to 1. Else, if the condition is false, use the recursive. If this condition is true, it will goes to here. If the condition is false, this condition is or this statement is executed. That is, c of ij tends to c of I minus 1 j minus 1 plus c of I minus 1 comma j. This is the algorithm which I have used for binomial coefficient. I am showing the functionally how it will work. Here you can see int minimum, that is int a and b, two variables I have taken, that is returns a values for binomial coefficient of c of n k. Int binomial coefficient int n comma int k, that is two function, one is minimal function and another one is binomial coefficient. Int c, here c of n plus 1 array, that is this is an two-dimensional array. In one dimensional array I am putting n plus 1, and in another dimensional array I am putting assigning values k plus 1. That is, here two-dimensional array I have taken and I am initializing the two variables, that is one is I and another one is j. Now calculate the binomial coefficient here in bottom up manner, that is in bottom to up manner it will work. Here you can see initializing, I am initializing two array because here two dimensional arrays are there, for that reason I am taking two variables, that is one I and j. This is I and this is j. Initially I am using I equals to 0 and I is less than or equal to n and I plus plus. In second dimensional array j equals to 0, j is less than or equals to minimum of this a and b I have taken on, that I am implementing here minimum of I comma k, then increment the j, open brace. If j equals to 0 or j equals to I, if any one is true, what happens, it will assign c of I j equals to 1. This 1 is assigned to that value. Now if this condition is false, what happens, calculate the values using and previously stored values, else this is, and when this condition is false it moves to the else part. Here you can see c of ij equals to c of I minus 1 this, j of minus 1 this, plus c of minus I minus 1 c of j. This is continued until this condition is false, that is first it should be false of j value, this value, and after this I value. When both values are false, then it will come out of the loop and it will print c of n k, that is what is the values are there in n and k. Here you can see I am entering the two values, that is for a and b I am taking that one as 5 and 2. That value is here I have taken here 5 of 2, 4 See, this 5 is splitted. See here. What is there? I minus 1. That is what? 4. Here 5 minus 1. That is 4. And here you can see j minus 1. What is j? Here it is 2. 2 minus 1. That is 1. In next place, C of 4 minus 1. That is, 5 minus 1. That is 4. J as it is. That is 2 as it is kept. Now this function recursively it will work. Once again, 3 minus 4 minus 1, that is 3. 1 minus 1 is 0. Now it is been stopped here. You can see here, when j equals to 0 or I equals to 0. If any j equals to I, if anyone is equals, what happens? It will take the value as, here it is 1. Now here you can see 4, 3 minus 1. Once again it is taken here. 3 minus 1 it is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here once again this value same as it is here. 3 minus 1, that is 2. J as it is. Now here you can see 2 minus 1, that is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. Here 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 of 1 is 1. Similarly, as done in left hand, similarly same thing done in right hand also. 4 comma 2. 4 once again 3, that is 4 minus 1, that is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. 2 as it is, because I of j you can observe. Next 3 minus 1, once again 3 minus 1, that is 2. Then j value is here 1. 1 minus 1, it is 0. Now here you can see C of ij, that is 3 minus 1, that is 2. And j here it is 1 as it is. Same thing recursively. Now its value become 1 comma 0 and here 1 comma 1. Similarly 2 minus 1, 2 of 2, and this one is C of 1 of 0 and 1 of 1. So it is worked. Here I have taken the two values, n equals to 5 and k equals to 2. Print the values, that is 5 and 2. That is the two values, and the binomial coefficient for n and where n equals to k and n equals to 5 and k equals to 2. The value binomial coefficient of value, this here you can see it is 10. Thank you.